Welcome to VidSocial 360. This is the 6th best radio broadcasting software for Windows 10. Broadcasting has gone through a change in the world of radio. Radio is still a very popular form of broadcasting and making money online. Online broadcasting has become so popular because it is just as easy to make money and grow your audience. There are many programs that can be used to broadcast online, but here are 6 of the best ones for Windows 10. There are many ways to make money on the internet, but for a beginner, it can be difficult to see which one will work best. Solution: broadcasting is a great way to grow your online audience and make money. It offers great potential for monetization, and there are plenty of opportunities for high-quality content. There are plenty of websites where you can broadcast your show and earn money, for example, Twitch. People are looking for a way to make money online. They want the freedom to work from home and do what they love. There are many ways to make money online, but there is only one way that is guaranteed to provide you with a steady income day in and day out: broadcasting. If you are tired of being stuck in an office, waiting on your boss's permission, or just wasting your time, broadcasting is the answer for you. Broadcasting will allow you to work from home and earn a substantial income. You deserve the freedom to live your life on your own terms, so why not start broadcasting now? YouTube has slowly become more of a business than a social media site, but it still feels like a place to connect with friends and family. With so many people broadcasting on the site, it can be hard for videos to stand out. It's not just about how many views you get anymore. YouTube has become saturated with content from all over the world, which makes it difficult for people trying to reach an audience to stand out. VidSocial 360 bring to you Tonai solves this problem by allowing users to easily create high-quality videos that will stand out from the crowd. Tonai is an AI video creator that uses the latest. The New Radio. The New Radio is a new type of music and lifestyle broadcasting service. It aims to connect people to the world through music. Introduction: The New Radio broadcasts over many genres of music, and even plays with live interviews with performers, such as Billy Bob Thornton.